Hey everybody, Jared Allen, Bully Bag and Tool Company, here to discuss measures. Here in the measure section, our adjustor grip tape measure, available both in a 25 and a 30-foot variety. I personally am a big fan of the 25-foot just due to its compact nature, its compact size, and its weight. This is a terrific tape measure with the oversized head, riveted 3 times, double-sided numbers, and it even has training wheels on the back side if you haven't quite figured out your eighths and quarters and 3/8 and what have you. Magnetic tip, an outstanding tool. It's the only tape measure I know of that you can actually measure a hip to hip on a roof with. Moving beyond that is our Bully Bag and Tool Company pitch and slope indicator. This here is on 1/12 right there. So it's roughly about a, what is that? About a 312 right there, and back down to 0. It's going to give you an analog readout of your reading of the pitch of the roof. As you flip it over, it will also determine the degrees for you. Impact resistant body comes pre-drilled, ready to be tethered if you're going to tether it to your ultra pouch, what have you. Then as we get into long tapes, we here did a field test for the best long tape, lightest, most sturdy, and this is what we came up with, was the Stanley field tape. We like this one quite a bit. It's compact, it's lightweight, it's rugged, it's survived every torturous event that we tried to get to break it. A lot of times you may have to measure, say, some metal fencing. You don't have something that you can ping a laser off of, and you're just going to have to use a long tape that's just taller to it. This is the long tape that we recommend, and it's really, really handy. Then when it comes to laser measures, we're a big fan of Leicas here at Bully Bag. Leica, if it's a laser, Leica does it. They're the industry leader, and that's just the way it is. This is my personal X4. I've shot over 300 feet of wooden fencing in August sunlight using this exact unit, and it has never failed me once. There we go. A really outstanding unit. It has a rugged case on it. It's been tested to withstand impacts above 6.5 feet. It's water resistant. If you're going to buy a laser measure and you don't want to spend the money, I get it. Maybe save up a little bit more, but I highly recommend that X4. It is worth it. So that's the measure segment of the items that we manufacture here at Bully Bag and Tool Company, provided to you to claim the storm.